What's up guys, Sean Schiff here with Mopar Vibes. Today we're going to be doing a product review on Novistretch. Novistretch is a temporary bra that you're able to install on your car. They make it for the Dodge Challenger and Charger when it comes to Mopar. If you get rock chips, bugs, nicks, dings on your car like I do, this product should help resolve that issue. So we're going to check it out. I'm going to do an unboxing. I did want to let you know that Novistretch did send me this product. It is not a sponsorship. I'm going to give my honest review and opinion on the product and the quality. If you guys have any questions, feel free to go ahead and drop them in the comments below. DM me on Mopar Vibes or Sean Schiff on Instagram. So let's go ahead and get going, unbox this. You can see it came from Novistretch. So pretty cool that they were able to send this out to me. They actually sent it overnight and I paid $14 for the shipping to get it out to me. So huge shout out to Novistretch. So far I have several friends that have the product in Santa Barbara Mopar, Central Coast Mopar, and Challenger Central Coast who really enjoy the product. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what it is about. Can't find my box cutter, so these keys will have to do. And hopefully they can cut this open. Barely, so. All right, it's not too hard. Boom, there you go. So, first it comes with a letter. It says, per email conversation, enclosed the Novistretch cover of the Dodge Challenger, discussed as some swag. Sweet. So there is a picture of several cars. So it looks like they do cover other cars like the Corvette, Camaro, and Mustang. So it covers pretty much all American muscle. So that's good to know for everyone else out there besides Mopar fanatics. That it covers more than just Mopar. That is the thank you letter. So let's see what else they have. So they sent out this Novistretch. Oh, it's upside down. Novistretch, made in the USA, microfiber cloth. Pretty cool. Thanks, Novistretch. They sent out a koozie to keep my drinks cold, so that is pretty neat. Thank you. Let's see what else they got. So it looks like a decal. It looks like a window sticker maybe because it's reversed. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is reversed. So I'm imagining it goes on the inside of the window. My windows are tinted. They're on a medium tint, so I don't know how well that will show. Maybe you could put that in the front windshield. Coaster, sweet. Can never have enough coasters. This would go perfect in my office as it'll clash with our decor in the rest of the house. So they gave me several stickers, gave me a button, gave me another koozie, whatever, tomato. Performance protective cover, stretch the life of your paint. Just a little card. This is really cool. I did not know they made this. I'm super excited that they sent me this. Mirror covers. How dope is that? That was the other thing I was worried about, is your mirrors get tons of chips on them. I had no idea. I didn't even see it on their website. So huge shout out to Novistretch for sending out these mirror covers. It does say universal, so we'll see how well they work. It says fits all 6th gen Camaros, 3rd gen Challengers, and 6th gen Mustangs. So if you're looking for mirror covers, Novistretch has got you covered. Pun intended. All right, sweet. Thank you for all the products, guys. Front bumper, they call it a mask. Dodge Chrysler platform for Dodge Challenger 2008 to present, Charger 2006 to present, Magnum 2005 to 2008, and 2005 to present 300. So this one bra covers all those different cars. So pretty awesome. Huge shout out to Novistretch for sending this out to me. let's see what it feels like. It actually has a feel hole, if that makes sense. It's kind of gross, dirty. I see what you did there. All right. So it actually comes in a pretty small package. I was thinking it would be a little bit bigger, but I guess it is a very thin product, as you can see from a lot of the photos. All right, so there's enclosed you will find hardware kit containing 4 snap head screw studs. Perfect. So it has the install instructions, which is super helpful because when it comes to installing stuff, I'm not very good at it. So let's see. Here's a little package that they sent. It's got some screws, some clips, some Velcro. So what else is in here? Send us pictures of your ride. So they sent me another business card, and it just says to send them pictures of the ride. So you guys can kind of see that. Pretty cool. I definitely will be sending a follow-up to Novistretch and what I truly think about the product and if it's good quality or not. So just some prep and care, which is pretty cool. I will read that in a little bit. Well, let's see what this product looks like. As far as my understanding, it does only come in black, which some people that have colored cars are like, man, it's only black. It looks pretty dope on several different colors. So, so far, it looks like it's made of pretty good quality. They have buttons everywhere, which buttons are not cheap to put on products, if you don't know. That's why most pants have zippers instead of buttons, because it costs way less money. Stupid fact you probably didn't need to know. So, here's the easy clips that hook onto, I believe this is either underneath the hood. There is the adjustable hood pins that you can hook these on, and I believe these are just going to snap into the bottom. Yeah, that's what these screws are that you screw into your bumper, and it just snaps on. So once you have this all installed, it literally should take you 30 seconds to take it off, 30 seconds to put it back on, which is awesome because you go on a road trip, car's protected, you can wash this. Not sure if it's dryer safe, so I definitely will check that out, see if the instructors say anything about the hand washing. Let's see, step 1, clear bumper and surfaces under the car. That makes sense. Step 2, turn the front wheel and gain easier access to the fender interline mounting screw pins. So when you get behind the front steering wheel, the only reason why I know this is because the splitter that I have on the front of my car is from an SRT, so I've had to do this before and had to take them off. There are little clips behind the wheels from the driver's seat and driver's side, passenger side, that you can pop out. I wish I had the proper tool to pop those easier. I don't. You can use a flathead screwdriver. I've used that in the past. But actually it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to do so, which is really neat. So if you suck at installing stuff, this seems like a super easy install. So my next video is actually going to be the install, walking you step by step on how to make sure you prep your car. Not only prep your car, but install this properly so it doesn't rip off and damage your car. So it is large, indicating the name. It stretches. So there's an elastic band, and also the net itself has stretch to it. So if you have a license plate that doesn't seem like it would be a hindrance. So one thing I just noticed, unfortunately, there's already a tiny tear in mine. I don't know if you can see that. I can almost put my finger through it, which is unfortunate. You can see my finger through. So, little defect, not a huge complaint though. I had them send me this product, so maybe that's why they sent this one. Not a big deal. I'm sure if you paid for the product, they're probably gonna send you the premium stuff. So make sure if you do have a problem with them, I'm sure they're gonna go ahead and take care of you, because I've worked with them for the last couple weeks, getting everything figured out. They've been super helpful. Not only that, super responsive. So they didn't take very long to go ahead and respond to me. Took only a matter of probably a day each time we went back and forth once we started emailing and I was connected with the right person. So as far as the unboxing goes, they sent me a ton of stuff. So they sent me the product that I asked for, the Novistretch, to review, which so far it seems like it's great quality. I would recommend it so far, solely based off of the quality and the material that it's made out of. Once it's installed, I will also give my opinion and review of the wear and tear it takes. The fact that this has a little tear, I'm not sure what I should do about that. I don't want it to scratch my paint if I were to seal it up with something. These I'm very intrigued about. So why don't we take this out, the mirror covers, and see what the mirror covers look like. Actually, they look like gloves. So I can see why they're universal. It opens on both ends. Actually, it just looks like a tube. So, okay. I would imagine this goes around the base because the base is a lot more narrow. And this goes around the actual interface of the mirror, so you can actually still see out of the mirror while you're driving. I would imagine, based off of how small these are, it's going to be rather a tight fit, which is a good thing, which means they should not come off on the freeway. So it has some stretch, and the diameter of these have a little bit of stretch as well. I should say circumference of these have a little bit of stretch. So they seem like pretty good quality. Huge shout out to Novistretch for sending me all these products and some swag. I definitely will give you guys a follow-up review on how everything turns out, doing an install video. Make sure you check out the link below, because I'm going to go ahead and add that once I create the video for the install process. And I'll also do vice versa. If you see the install first, you want to see the review or the unboxing more so, then definitely click the link below. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, share. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like, and go ahead and share. So check me out at Mopar Vibes and also Sean Shift on Instagram and on YouTube. The Sean Shift, I don't have any content up. It's brand new. It's going to be an all car genre. So that way, people that feel like they're missing out, just getting Mopar content, I will have other content coming your way. As far as Mopar content goes, I'm going to keep going that route over and over again. So thank you. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to inbox me, DM, Sean Shift, or Mopar Vibes. And thanks for tuning in.